Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to deposit money from Coinbase to your Pocket Option account. So first of all, you need to log into your Pocket Option account. Then you need to click this green button in the top right, which is called Top Up. And you need to select the currency you want to deposit. There are a few options. You can select Tether, Litecoin, Solana. You can also choose other methods, guys. For example, you can see there are a lot of cryptocurrencies. For example, you want to deposit Bitcoin, so you can choose Bitcoin from the list, and you need to enter the amount in dollars. So for example, you want to deposit $50 worth Bitcoin. You need to click continue right here, and you need to read the rules first. So in order to get your Bitcoin payment receipt automatically, you need to enter the exact BTC amount should reach the specific address, use only Bitcoin network for your transfers, and generate a new payment form for each new deposits, guys. If you make some mistakes, you will lose your money, guys. So you need to copy this wallet address right here. So this is the Bitcoin wallet address from Pocket Option, and you need to send this amount of Bitcoin to this wallet address. Now you need to go to the Coinbase. You need to click transfer on the main page, and then you need to select send crypto, guys. After you will click send crypto, you need to choose the cryptocurrency. So in this case, we are sending Bitcoin. So you need to paste the wallet address. We just copy it from Pocket Option, and you need to enter the exact amount of BTC, guys. And also you need to look at the fees. You should add some extra Bitcoins for the fee. So that's how you can send crypto from Coinbase to Pocket Option. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.